Bonovo Quarry Bucket is applicable for loading the tough rock and the mineral after explosion. They are specifically designed for continual digging on the most abrasive materials in the harshest conditions. It was created to outlast all traditional rock buckets. These robust buckets have the most comprehensive and innovative wear packages ever fitted to a bucket. Significantly boost the abrasive and bending resistance of the bucket. These buckets were known to have bucket maintenance costs and move 3 times more material between refurbishments than other rock-type buckets.